Okay, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and we decided to take out the refrigerator and clean it outside. It will be much easier for us to clean it outside the refrigerator and also to clean behind and the tile and grout that they hired me to do this. So it's much better to do it outside. Thanks God that the refrigerator has some wheels, so we don't gonna damage the wood floor. Let's see how she's gonna be done. ¿Puedes? No. Yeah. Sí, yo creo que la tienes que como alzar un poquito. Yeah. So let's do it outside. The floor and the grout in this floor is in really bad shape. All these houses in really bad shape. You can see the difference between that grout and this one. Okay, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I'm gonna start putting more videos, okay? Thank you, bye.